Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking Today on Perfect Eats. If you guys are new here, hello, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for those of you guys who are new to cooking. Now today's recipe is fairly quick and simple. We are going to make some stir-fried takwa together with some hum choy. So here are the ingredients that you will need. I'm using the extra firm tofu, takwa, and for the hum choy, they are actually store-bought. They are pickled mustard greens. And I used 2 red chilies for this recipe, about 3 shallots, as well as 2 cloves of garlic. Slice the vegetables thinly and also cut the tofu into cubes. So let's start by frying the tofu pieces first. Now before doing this, be sure you drain the excess water from the tofu by using a paper towel. So once you get a beautiful golden brown color from the tofu, we're gonna set them aside and drain the excess oil. Now moving on, we can use the same pan and reduce the amount of oil. We're going to start by stir frying the rest of the other ingredients. Now for this recipe, believe it or not, we're not going to use any form of seasoning because the pickled mustard greens that we're going to throw in right now, they are already very salty. So we're going to tap in on that, while on the other hand, we're just going to add in some dashes of white pepper. After which, it's time to throw in the tofu pieces from earlier and give it a good toss. And there you go, you guys, that's literally all that you need. We are done with the recipe. How quick and simple is that? Now if you guys like to check out more quick and simple recipes, head over to our YouTube channel at Perfect Eats and be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye you guys.